4, wind is 31010, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, uniform 1, Southwest 3084.
South 316, 28, line up away.
Line up away, runway 28, Southwest 2.
This is 2553, right turn, Foxtrot ground point 9.
Fox point 9, Southwest 2553.
Delta 2752, you guys up?
Confirm or visual 331.
Alright, traffic parts and holds crossing runway, wind is 31010, runway 33 left, clear lane.
2 left, clear to land, 27.
Contact departure, we'll see you.
Departure, Southwest 3084.
South 316, chapter 2.5 out crossing runway, 13108, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28, Southwest 28.
South 2715, 28, line up away, traffic lands crossing runway.
Line up away, 28 at uniform 1 for Southwest 2715.
November is now current altimeter 3003. It was 316, contact departure, we'll see you.
Puts in departure, Southwest 316, good day.
Wind is 3106, gusting 15, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
This Southwest show up into Baltimore, the local time is 3:59 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt signs and carry items stowed until the aircraft is parked in the bin and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. As you deplane, please take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and Mr. Atlanta-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board. We look forward to seeing you soon.